Alex Ayala is so inspiring. On and off the court, I'd say honestly, she's really my hero right now in a way na para na-ignite ulit yung, alam mo yon, yung love, passion, and sa sports and sa community, not just in tennis and volleyball, but it's in the sports community too. So napakasaya, napakasarap sumuporta na alam mong kitang-kita mo na dalang-dala niya at tinatayo niya yung bandera ng Pilipinas every single time. She'll get the point, or may mga times na nanghihina rin siya, alam niyang we're all behind her.
Personally, Adeline, as an athlete, nung 20 years old ka, paano siya,
hindi ko na maalala,
paano siya like mentally yung reception ng people, tsaka yung pressure?
Oh, I think it's just so nice at a very, siguro, at this early, na raramdaman niya yung mga pressure. Kasi always say pressure is such a huge privilege. And it will shape her, it will siguro mold her to become someone na icon talaga, legend. And ngayon pa lang, yun na siya. So what more sa mga susunod na maipapakita niya pa para sa ating bansa. So, I know it's just so siguro obvious and very evident naman na napakaganda na support system ni Alex Ayala. And kitang-kita mo sa performances niya, buong-buo siya dahil buong-buo din ang suporta sa kanya ng mga siguro circle niya. And I think that's one thing na very important right now in her career. To have that circle, to have that support system, to keep going. And hindi lang, ang masasabi ko lang kay Alex, meron din siyang mga kababayan, andito din kami, mga kababaihan, at lahat ng tao sa sports community na sumusuporta sa kanya at lalaban din para sa kanya any time of the day.